In this video, we will explore an array of incredible welding project ideas that will ignite your creativity and challenge your welding skill, from stunning cluster of functional pieces of art. This project will inspire both beginners and experienced welders alike. Let's start with metal cluster. Imagine transforming lifeless pieces of metal into captivating work of art. Welding allows you to breathe life into your imagination, creating intricate and awe-inspiring sculpture from abstract design to artistic figures. The possibilities are endless. Explore the fusion of metals, experiment with different texture, and watch as your vision come to life. Next, let's dive into the world of furniture welding. Why settle for ordinary when you can craft extraordinary pieces that reflect your unique style? Welding opens up a whole new world of possibilities in furniture design. Build your own comfortable chair or even a bed frame. Experiment with various metals and combine them with other materials like wood or glass to create stunning and functional pieces that will be masterpieces of any room. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance to your home, consider exploring decorative welding project. Picture ornate gate, integrated design railing, and custom-made light features. Welding empowers you to add personal touch to your living space, making it truly one of a kind. Let your creativity soar as you combine different metals, experiments with patterns, and transform of ordinary space into extraordinary ones. Welding also offers endless opportunities in the reclaim of automotive customization. Whether you want to enhance the performance or aesthetic of your vehicles, welding can help you achieve your vision. Fabricate custom exhaust systems, design unique body modification, or creates personalized tracks and mounts. Unless you're inner car enthusiast and take your automotive dreams in the next level with the power of welding. For those with a passion for outdoor living, welding can transform your backyard into the paradise. Build stunning fire pits that will become the focal point of your gathering. Contract durable and stylish outdoor furniture that withstand the elements. Design artistic and functional sculpture that harmonize with nature. With welding, you can burn your outdoor space into a scenery that reflects your personal style and provide endless enjoyment. These project ideas welding also present opportunities in industrial application from heavy duty machinery repair to building structure. Complement welding play a vital role in various industries by allowing your welding skill. You can open door to a rewarding to career of manufacturing, construction or fabrication. As you embark of your welding journey, remember that safety should always be a top priority. Ensure you have necessary safety equipment such as gloves, welding helmets, and protective clothing. Familiarization yourself with welding techniques and best practice to minimize risks and ensure successful outcome. Whether you are beginners of the experience welder led this incredible welding project, these inspire you to push your boundaries to explore new horizons.